Hey guys, I just got this beautiful cordless vacuum in the mail. I wanted a vacuum just for my baby's room. I think it's nice to have multiple vacuums so you're not dragging it up and down the stairs or room to room. I know I like to vacuum his room every day, and I also don't want to drag all the dirt from the other rooms in the house into his room. So I wanted this just for his room, stays in there, easy to use. It's always ready in there, and we only have the like hair and dust and stuff from that room in that room. So this is what it looks like. Let's open it up. Ooh. Okay, so it comes with the manual, and it has a cleaning brush so you can clean and, you know, cut the hair out if it gets intertwined there with like long hair situations like mine. That happens no matter what vacuum you use. Okay, then we have the charging cord. It is wireless. And we have, I'm going to demo it for you guys so you can see too. But we have this to hold that. We got this out. And then we have this brush. It has a couple different attachments, which is really nice. Let's get this one. And then the tube. So this goes like in here. Oh, no. Let me pull the whole thing out first. Oh, wow. There's a lot in here. Nice. Okay, so first we have the filter. Nice and clean. We have the battery. So it looks like that. We have the bottom brush. Attaches like that. Here's what it looks like inside. Nice wheels. Okay. And this attaches here. Yep. Like that. Perfect. We have this attachment, which comes in handy for corners, couches, that kind of thing. And then we have the handle. So goes like that. Now let's put the battery in. Latches on like that. And let's put the filter in. Ooh, it already has some charge on it. Ooh, I like that. Okay. And this is very lightweight, but also sturdy. So I feel like I can, like, if I need to do the up there ceiling part, I can do that. This is how you get the filter out, but also how you, I need to attach that in, empty it out. So for the filter, it comes with the filter. Okay, so then I get an extra filter, which is good. You should switch those out. And let's see. So put it in there and you attach it in like, let me see, let me go to look. Okay. Like this. Okay, now it's in there. And so when you open it up, there you go. And then this goes on here, which is nice. And then it looks like this extends up. Wow, that's awesome. So this is what it looks like this. But then also you can take this off and we can lower this down. You just lower it by pulling this down. And then you can put this on here. And then it's a little handheld like that. Or you can put this one on here like that. And then even you can do this. And I like to do this to vacuum my couch or my bed. Really makes it easier. Like that. Very nice. And then here's the charging place for the battery. So you plug this in here, charge it up. It already comes with a charge. And so you can change the speed. So you push this button to make it go, and then you change the speed on here. So I'll demo it for you real quick, and then you'll see how good it works.